Overnight tonight, down around 77 we go. Mostly clear skies and southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. As we move through the day tomorrow, it's all good, really. We're going to be talking about temperatures pushing on up through the 90s by noon and 95 degrees and lots of sun and then 100 plus across the valley. Now today, we broke records all over the place. Harlingen and Brownsville, 102 and 103 degrees. But I think tomorrow we stand a chance of at least coming close to some records. You have 110. What's that? That's the heat index number. You put the temperature and humidity together, and that's what it feels like outside. So when it's 102 at McAllen, it's going to feel like 110. Look at you, Brownsville. You're the biggest example of this. 98, the forecast high, will feel like 114. So you will feel hotter than McAllen, more than likely. Now, if you were in Hidalgo, no problem. You've got the same issue. 96 degrees at noon, 102 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon with that heat index pushing 110 degrees. Now we talk about the great escape, and that is the beach. 87 degrees at South Padre Island. Air temperature, water temperature 86 degrees. That's good stuff. The rip current risk will be low. It won't be none, but it will be low. It can always come up, surface a little bit there, pardon the pun, but it's something to always watch out for. But hey, have a great time at South Padre Island this weekend. Drought monitor shows Texas is, well, in a world of hurt. Drought conditions from extreme to exceptional all across the state. And the valley, no exception. We're talking about moderate drought conditions, Willacy County, back into extreme drought conditions into Hidalgo County, for you around McAllen, west on through Sullivan City, and of course Starr County. So the fire weather risk continues to worsen as a result of not having any substantial rain. The dry grass and gusty wind always whips things up, and you don't want to get anything whipped up around here, not now. We have a burn ban in effect for all our counties, as a matter of fact. Tropical weather, that beastly, it continues to make its way on across the Atlantic, heading toward the United States, our direction anyway. Tropical storm Margot is a non-starter. It may become a hurricane, but it's going to open water. Not an issue for anyone, really. Now, there's Lee. Look at Lee from satellite, and you see that thing is a beast with a very well-defined eye, continuing to make its move. Here's the latest update. We'll take a look at what do we got here. It's okay, category 3. It was a 5 earlier, then down to 4, and then it's expected to boost back up to a 4, go back down to a 3. But look at that turn. That turn is in response to a storm system coming across the United States, and that may just kind of act as a wall to deflect it on back with the Gulf Stream on parallel the U.S. East Coast. That's what we're hoping for. We're hoping that this thing gets deflected and does not pound into the United States. That would not be good. 7-day forecast shows it's going to be hot. We're going to have plenty of sun. Then we're going to be talking about temperatures that will be 100 plus on through early next week. Maybe a couple of showers with the tail of that storm system stalling across South Texas. That could bring us at least a few anyway. Well, that's a look at your forecast.